Are you looking for the best coffee makers? In this video we will look at some of the best coffee makers the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Braun Brew Drip Coffee Maker. If you are looking for a budget-friendly machine, then this Braun Brew Sense coffee maker makes it best among price and quality. It comes under $100. Its setting isn't complicated, which make it best if you want a single cup coffee in the morning. Moreover, the programmer timer brew pauses settings make it great. The compact design makes it look more appealing, however the water tank reservoir is non-removable. There are a number of additional features that are not usually found in this price range, for instance the charcoal water filter and gold tone filter. The Brew Sense machine is one of the cheapest models with great performance. Number 2. Technivorm KBGV Select. Cup capacity, 10 cups. Size range, 14*12.5*, 6.5 inches. Programmable, no. Brew control system, no. Milk frother, no. Water reservoir removable, no. Innovative technology. 5 years of warranty. The Technivorm KBGV is the latest model. The Maca Master is the highest quality and most praised coffee maker. Moreover, the brew temperatures and water dispersal have innovative features. This pricey coffee maker makes the aesthetic aroma coffee. The water tank reservoir is fixed and non-removable. The machine can reach up to standard temperature 196°F to 205°F under a minute. This KBGV can do all this in 4 to 6 minutes, mainly dependent on brew size. Its performance and quality make it worth for coffee enthusiasts. Number 3. Ninja Hot and Cold Brewed Coffee Maker. Capacity cup, 10 cups. Size, 11.8 by 15 by 10 inches. Program control, yes. Brew control, yes. Milk frother, yes. Water reservoir removable, yes. Cold brew range. This Ninja coffee maker turns your kitchen into a cafe. Coffee and tea lovers make the machine flexible to make the beverages as they want them, whether fancy or simple. The automatic settings adjust the temperature with wide range of coffees, teas, and cold brewer ages. This Ninja machine claims that by using coffee settings and milk frother, you can also make coffee bar drinks at home. The cold brew setting doesn't have smooth taste, but still XL cup of coffee makes the brew whipped in 10 minutes. The smart basket system also registers the brew basket usage and also recommends the drink types. The Ninja system only whirls slightly and kick off the brewing process. If you are one with single-serve and multi-cup brewers, this appliance offers the both without using the coffee pods. Number 4. Breville Bambino Coffee Maker. Capacity, 64 fluid ounces. Size, 12.6 by 11.8 by 7.7 inches. Program system, no. Brew controls, yes. Milk frother, yes. Water reservoir removable, yes. Compact and sleek design. Best espresso. The Breville Bambino Plus is considered the best espresso machine for everyone who wants convenience and ease of use. This coffee maker makes the most premium beans and has double-walled filters as well. Breville Bambino Plus has built-in steam, which makes it a great choice for milky drinks. This machine only takes 3 seconds to warm the appliance. Moreover, it has customized features, pre-infusion, array of baskets, etc. This makes it a great espresso machine. Number 5. Breville Precision Coffee Maker. Cup capacity, 12 cups. Size dimensions, 13*9*16 inches. Program, yes. Brew, yes. Milk frother, yes. Water reservoir removable, yes. Brew temperature customized. Gold cup brewing mode. Drip coffee maker type. Thermal carafe. The Breville Precision is a powerful machine capable of brewing the perfect cup of coffee. There is some trouble with the volume of the machine, however it produces high-quality coffee. While the brew time and temperatures, the flow rate and bloom time gets better. Moreover, a dripper is also available for control. This is one of the best coffee makers. It can make 12 cups of coffee in 8.5 minutes. The Breville Precision Brewer is customized to brew 12 cups at a time. It also has different shape of baskets that makes a coffee cup a better choice. The basket and the water reservoir have easy measurements. The water flow and bloom time can be adjusted. It's easy to clean and operate. Number 6. Nespresso Virtuo Coffee Maker. Cup capacity, 57.5 ounces. Size, 12.8*12.7*8.7 inches. Programmable, no. Brew, no. Milk frother, no. Water reservoir removable, no. Espresso and coffee maker. Quick brews. Shut off automatically. Pod coffee makers are the most convenient machine. It has the best brew pod coffee. Large pods allow variety of drinks that make 14-ounce brews. This machine will brew the drink type produced and sets the brew time and temperatures for the cup. That means that the perfect settings for each coffee sets automatically. Espresso is the machine best aspect, which makes the topping of crema. A rapid spinning process that makes a creamier coffee. This makes the best single coffee and espresso maker. This is an effortless way to make your morning brew. It's convenient to use.